So my new apartment decorating saga continues, and today it's all about bathroom decor. And here's the challenge with my new bathroom. It has a pretty boring builder grade look to it. It's not the most visually inspiring bathroom. Let's just say that. So using my magical styling powers, I am going to do my best to make my bathroom look more interesting and frankly cooler looking than it actually is. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Steffi and this is Hilo. And on this channel, I give small apartment styling tips and cozy living inspiration. And in case you don't already know, this video that you're watching is part of a multi-video series that I'm doing where I'm documenting the whole decorating process of this new apartment that I recently moved into. So I will link to the playlist of all those videos in the description below if you want to give those a nice hearty binge. So first, let's talk shower curtain selection. I say this with a somewhat wry tone because this has been quite the saga for me. If you have been paying attention to my Instagram stories for the last couple months, I shared with you guys the shower curtains that I was considering as I was shopping, and ultimately I landed on a supposedly very pretty curtain from West Elm. I really liked how this shower curtain looked on West Elm's website. It had kind of a cool, groovy vibe to it, and I thought that the more like blue tones would be complementary to the very kind of brown look that the bathroom has with the cabinets. So I ordered it, and then found out that it was on back order and I would have to wait over a month for it to get here. So I spent the first month in this apartment without a pretty shower curtain, just with a shower curtain liner. Oh, the humanity, right? But honestly, I wouldn't have ordered this shower curtain if I knew I was gonna have to wait over a month for it. Like, I didn't like it that much, but I stuck with it. And then this supposedly beautiful shower curtain from West Elm arrived and I hung it up and it looked like denim. The fabric looked like denim. I waited over a month for a faux denim shower curtain, so it's fine. So anyway, what I wish I would have done instead of going for this West Elm shower curtain, not that I would have known that it would look like faux denim, but what I wish I would have done was just gone to Society 6. I love ordering things from Society 6. I love ordering wall art from Society 6, and I love their shower curtains. Shower curtains. I don't know why I said it like that. So after looking at hundreds of results on Society 6, I ultimately chose this shower curtain, which I am very pleased with. I like that it continues the sort of black and white motif that I'm doing in the living room into the bathroom. And aside from the sort of simplicity of a black and white floral design, I like how this has sort of the groovy 70s vibes that I'm doing in the living room as well. I'm just in a very sort of like groovy place right now. Like I've been gravitating towards like kind of 70s, 60s. I say that like it's a new thing about me. I've always gravitated towards that. I guess I'm just really going hard at it now. So all in all, I guess when it comes to shower curtains, my advice to you would be check out Society 6. Their shower curtains are amazing. Just buckle up for a lot of results. And two, if you decide to order a shower curtain online, be prepared for disappointment and a possible faux denim catastrophe, because that's a thing that apparently happens. Now for the next two main bathroom styling components that I'm going to talk about, which is countertop styling and wall decor, I'm going to bring you along with me as I decorate my bathroom, because these are the two pieces that I haven't gotten to yet. I have the shower curtain up, I have the bath mats, but now it's a matter of styling and putting those finishing touches that will make the bathroom look like a cohesive unit rather than just a shower curtain with a couple bath mats on the floor, you know? So now I'm gonna get behind the camera and bring you along with me as I continue styling my bathroom, and hopefully it will all come together. So here's my bathroom as it is now. What I need to do next is figure out the countertop styling, which obviously it's very limited in terms of surface area, but basically I want a little pop of faux floral right there. And then maybe just try to figure out some way to add a little bit more prettiness. Again, with this limited counter space, there's only so much one can do, but one can try. And then after the countertop styling, I am going to put some wall art right there, because clearly this piece of wall is begging for it. It's like this empty white or off-white abyss. So some visual interest needs to happen right there. And no, I am not gonna put my listen to the wind blow, watch the sunrise piece of art up there. In one of my past videos, I said I was thinking about doing that, and then you guys are hilarious. You pointed out the very obvious problem with that, which is it's like very much a weird fart joke if I would have put that there. And as much as I love a good fart joke, I'm afraid I am not really down to incorporate one in my decor. Right, Hilo? So now, using the decor that I have lined up here, I'm gonna start playing around with this countertop styling. Hilo is gonna help, and I'm gonna try to make this look a little less boring. So I'm already digging this as the sort of faux floral piece on the counter, because I love a good pop of green, and also I love that the amber vase is tying in the amber hand soap color, and then also is coordinating with the sort of burnt orange amber colors in the rugs. So I'm really loving this repetition of amber. So for now, I'm gonna stick with this situation. I think it's really pretty, and it's going to look quite good with the new wall art that I actually got for this bathroom. I ordered these as a set on Amazon. It's actually a set of 3. I'm gonna have to go get the 3rd one. I might just use these 2. So yeah, I just got these. They're really, really inexpensive, but quite pretty, and give those sort of boho vibes that I'm really leaning into these days. And again, you have these colors, this amber and dusty pink brown colors, and then green, you know, all of these are tying in a cohesive color palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang these up, and then once I see how these look, I will potentially add more to the counter styling. Not that there's much room, but we'll see. So the wall art is up, and to be honest, I think they're pretty. I love the color palette and how it's all tying together, but I'm honestly not like super excited by this. I think it's good for now. I mean, these pieces were like super cheap on Amazon, so it doesn't feel like a huge failure, but it also doesn't feel like a triumph, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna keep them up for now until I find something else. And then when I do find something else, I'm sure I'll find another place for them, maybe the kitchen, because I really do love their colors. It's, you know, they're very simple. You could even say kind of generic, but I do like them. They're pretty. Now I feel like there's just one more ingredient needed in this recipe of bathroom decor, which is just a little something right there to sort of complete this little picture. So I'm gonna try just a few things and then we'll see where we land. So I've chosen the Diptyque Room Spray for this little spot. I just love the look of this bottle. I love their branding. I love their typography. So I am choosing this. Also, it doesn't hurt to have a room spray in a bathroom. You know what I mean? So here is what I'm calling version 1 of my bathroom decor. Like the rest of the apartment, this is a starting point. I will continue tweaking, especially when it comes to that wall art. Again, nothing wrong with it. It's just not thrilling me. So yeah, this is it for now. So there you have it. That is where my bathroom styling is at right now. As is the case with the rest of my apartment, this is definitely an iterative process. We will see where it goes in the future. I'm gonna keep tweaking things. I'm gonna keep, you know, finessing this apartment. So stay tuned as I continue to do that. Let me know in the comments below, how would you describe the styling in your bathroom? Like, what's your favorite piece of decor? Or what kind of like visual story do you think you're telling in your bathroom? Let me know. And remember, your apartment and your bathroom is destined to be pretty, and you are pretty powerful.